Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 10 Practical Geometry Part 1. In this chapter, we have to construct parallel lines and construction of triangles. So, what are parallel lines? We know in between two lines equal distance in everywhere that are called parallel lines. Okay, so we have to discuss or we have to construct parallel lines. How to construct a parallel lines? Question number 1. Draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compasses only. So question is given that use only ruler and compasses. Okay. First of all, no length given. So you take any length as your choice. So I'm taking here one length. So we have first line segment AB. Question is given that the line say AB. Okay. So it is named as AB and take a point outside that line. So select as capital letter C. Okay. Then first step, take your scale and draw a line from C to AB. Okay. And take your compass, no measurement. Take your compass, no measurement, and put your compass on that intersection point. Draw a small arc from that point. Okay. Then give a name. One is capital letter D and the second one is capital letter E. That is the 2 points. And your previous measurement, that no change in your compass, the same measurement, take your compass and put your compass on C. Then draw an arc the same way from C. Draw an arc and you will get a big arc from C. Then take your compass, then that point is capital letter F. Then take again your compass, measure the arc length of DE. See, DE is the measurement, very important. DE is the measurement, and put your compass on F. Draw an arc on the previous arc. Then take your scale and draw a parallel line to AB through that intersection point and C. So you will get a parallel lines. So this is the construction of parallel lines. Then next we have to construction of triangles. Construction number 1, constructing a triangle when the lengths of the three sides are known. Okay, that means three sides are given in a triangle. Three sides are given, that is SSS criterion. Okay, you just understand, three sides are given. Then question number 1, construct a triangle ABC given that AB equal to 5 cm, BC equal to 6 cm and AC equal to 7 cm. So you have to draw a rough sketch of the given measurements. So ABC is the triangle AB 5 cm, BC 6 cm and AC 7 cm is the rough sketch. Okay. Then first you take AB 5 cm in your scale and draw a line with a 5 centimeter AB 5 centimeter. Then take your compass and measure 6 centimeter, that is BC is 6 centimeter. You take your compass and measure 6 centimeter on your compass and put your compass on B. Draw an arc above the line segment AB. Okay, so this is the 6 centimeter arc. Then same way you take 7 centimeter on your compass, put your compass on A, cut the previous arc. So you will get a intersection point. Okay, so draw from that intersection point to B and from that point to A. Draw a line and that intersection point is C. So this is the required triangle ABC. Okay. The next construction number 2, constructing a triangle when the lengths of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known, that is SAS. Two sides and measure of the angle between the two sides. Okay, that is SAS. So we have a question. First question. Construct a triangle PQR given that PQ equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and angle PQR equal to 60 degree. So we have rough sketch PQR, PQ equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter. In between these two sides 60 degree is also given. So angle Q equal to 60 degree. So first we have to draw PQ equal to 3 centimeter. So we get PQ that is 3 centimeter. P is the first point, the second point is Q. So this is 3 centimeter, and from Q 60 degree. So you take your protractor, measure 60 degree at Q. Start with the left side. So here left side, here we have a 0 to 10, 20, then 60 mark, and draw a line to that point, and you will get 60 degree. Already you learned how to draw an angle from a point. Okay, so that is 60 degree. Then again take your compass, measure 5.5 centimeter on your compass. Okay, that is QR. Okay, that is 5.5 centimeter. Put your compass on Q, draw an arc on that line. So that point is capital letter R. Then after that join RP or PR. You will get a triangle PQR. PQ equal to 3 centimeter, QR equal to 5.5 centimeter, and angle Q is equal to 60 degree. So this is the required triangle. Then construction number 3, constructing a triangle when the measure of two of its angles and the length of the side included between them is given, that is ASA. Two angles are given and the length of one side is also given, ASA. Okay, so we have a question, construct triangle XYZ if it is given that XY is equal to 6 centimeter, angle ZXY equal to 30 degree, and XYZ equal to 100 degree. So we have a rough sketch. Here XY equal to 6 centimeter, X 30 degree, and Y 100 degree. So this is the rough sketch XYZ. So first of all we have to draw XY is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so here one side and two angles are given. So one side is 6 centimeter, XY 6 centimeter, and take your protractor and put your protractor on Y. It is 100 degree from left side. Start from left side to right. So 100 degree. So that point is 100 degree, and draw a line to that point from Y. So this is 100 degree. The same procedure can start with the X degree, that is 30 degree, from right to left. Measure right to left, that is 30 degree. Then draw a line to that point and intersect on the previous line. Okay, extend that line. So you have an intersection point, that is Z. So 30 degree is the measurement. So this is the required triangle. Okay, then construction number 4, constructing a right angled triangle when the length of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. That is, right angle means 90 degree is given, and hypotenuse and one side. Hypotenuse of the right angle triangle and one leg. Leg means any side of the right angle triangle. Okay, so question number 1, construct triangle LMN right angled at M given that ln equal to 5 centimeter and mn equal to 3 centimeter. So here rough sketch, mn is 3 centimeter, m is 90 degree, and ln is 5 centimeter. So we have three measurements. One is 90 degree, one is 3 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. First of all we have to draw 3 centimeter mn. That is the base of right angle triangle, mn 3 centimeter. Then after that you take your compass. So we have to draw 90 degree. By protractor directly we can draw 90 degree, but using compass how to draw 90 degree? Very simple. Take your compass, any measurement, put your compass on M, draw a small arc this way, and no change in your compass. Okay, no change in your compass. Start with that point, draw first arc and draw the second arc from the first. Okay, then next step is take your compass again, extend your compass, no measurement, put your compass on the first arc and draw an arc outside. Okay, from the second arc the same measurement, cut the previous arc, so you will get a intersection point on the outside. Okay, so from that intersection point draw a line to M, so you will get a 90 degree, exact 90 degree with exactly you will get 90 degree at M. Okay, so this is the perpendicular line. Then already given 5 centimeter hypotenuse, so measure 5 centimeter in your compass, that is ln, that is ln. From N draw an arc on perpendicular line, so that is L. From L to M draw ln, so that is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So this is the ln, that is 5 centimeter, that is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So this is the required right angled triangle at M is 90 degree. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.